Okay, let's go on with speaking part two. Describe something that surprised you and made you happy. So,
I have many surprise in my life, but one surprise is very important for me. My husband celebrate my birthday. When I was came in home, my house is full of flowers and decorated with balloons, and I saw around over my house, and I was very surprising for this occasion. Then I saw this all around in my house. So my sister or also with us and my brother all celebrating this with me. I also I was very surprising, but I still.
okay, thank you so much. You are communicating with very limited sentence structure and very limited vocabulary. You are repeating the same things. You said, I was surprising. I was surprising is wrong. You should have said, I was surprised. Then you said, I was came. Grammatically wrong. I came. So it sounds like you don't have the sense of basic English grammar and basic sentence structures. So you need to improve your basic English structures. That is important. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. How do people express happiness in your country?
They were shocking, and when they some little happiness with they share other people's.
Still, it's not a sentence. You're just speaking some words, and these words are not properly organized into a sentence. Okay, thank you so much.